So I'm trying this meat barbecue out. It's a little spot on the side streets. Show you the menu real quick. You can pause and look at it. I got me a number 35 right there. So it's the inside. The meal I have came with 4 sides. That's what it looks like inside. So yeah, business hour. Walking with this. Woo! Smells good. Dang, look at that. So you get 4 sides. You think you got to get some rice. So 35 pork and chicken. Looks pretty good. So yeah, 4 side. I got the bean sprout. I think it's like dill. I'm not sure what it is. So got some mac and cheese, corn and broccoli. You see the grilled chicken, beef short ribs with the rice. Okay, I'm drooling right now. Okay, let's try the ribs first. Wow, that tastes like Korean barbecue. I think it's a Korean barbecue store, so it's good. If you like Korean barbecue, go to that meat barbecue. It's good. Wow. Big portion of chicken. Let's try some broccoli. Good. Chicken, let's go. Let's go. Try this out. I forgot what, I don't know what this is called. I know it's bean sprout, but tastes like burger bean sprout. I thought they put like dill or something. Like, oh wow, it's good. Got the mac too. Everything's hitting right now. Chicken is good, beef is good. So, on some meat barbecue, I suggest you get the 35. This is good. So it's chicken and beef. Very satisfying, really good flavor, juicy, not dry at all. So, if you ever come to Waikiki, meat barbecue. It's on a side street. So, yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my food. Thanks for watching, y'all. Peace and love.